What's going on, guys? Dutch Trades here with another video. Today is June 2nd, Wednesday, and the time on the clock is 4:40 Central Time, of course. Now, today we're going to be discussing Clov stock, aka Clover Health Investments, however you want to do it, the highly short interest SPAC company here. And now today was a great day for Clove here. Was not expecting this big of a movement today, even though for the past week we have been seeing a lot of massive buy orders, massive orders coming in, a lot of private institutions that have been posting their buy orders on all of this. It has been very massive, and there's just been extremely bullish momentum coming from this. And like I've always said, I'm still very bullish on it, even though when it had that consolidation phase throughout the mid-May to end May there, when it was just trading right to that like 675 range up to that like 775 range as well. It just wanted to go up to that $8, but it just could not do it. But today we saw a very nice day out of Clove. Now, of course, since you guys made it for here, but make sure to go hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate all your guys' support. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of the week and just bring a massive amount of awareness for Clove, as AMC and GME are doing their thing as the quote-unquote meme stocks and the dumb money. But you know what? We're making money anyway, so it does not matter to me whatsoever. Now let's get right into Clove here for the entry day here, as of course we knew that we opened up at around 7.8, 7.7. That range had a nice little market push up within the first 20 minutes, try to break above that $8 range. As you can see right here, just complete rejection, not too massive, but it did end up tapping that bottom range of 7.65 and just popped right back up. Once again, try to retake that $8 range, and it just wanted it and it kept trying to do for it. And obviously, as you can see, for the way we closed, we eventually did burst right through that range. As you can see though, the second try for $8, we got rejected, went down here to 7.75, and then tried to go up just maybe a little bit up to it again, and just slightly rejected again before it made its fourth and final test of bursting up through those eights. As we knew, this has been a key psychological point for Clove to burst above this $8. Once it did burst above $8, we could see it push all the way up to those $9 ranges, and as you can see in the after hours, we've hit a high of 9.72. So it's been incredible movement. But let's go right back into the entry day to see what happened as soon as we hit that $8 above there. We did end up tapping 858, consolidate it down a little bit for try to make another push, 8.77. Once again, just a little right rejected there, and then just continuously trended upwards until closing out at 8.74 exactly. And now for today, we did end up gaining $1.01 on this, and as well the percentage gain was about 13% for your percentage gain. And now most of you have seen, if you follow me on Twitter, if you haven't followed me on Twitter, make sure to hit over there. I always forget. Hit that follow button on my Twitter account up there. As you can see in the after hours, as I've been tweeting it out, that we had a nice massive after hours gain for us. So hopefully we can end up opening around that 9.5 range, 9.4 range, or anywhere above $9 is perfectly fine with me. We'll see how pre-market does with it. As it opens up at around 4 a.m. Central Time, Webull opens up like that. Some other brokers do it as well. But as you can see here, after hours had a little bit slight downturn, just in the first 5 minutes here, and then slowly like trended upwards right here until we had those nice 3 big green candlesticks, and followed by a little fourth with a huge massive upper wick here going up to that 9.72 for the entry day high. Now, of course, it got rejected down. So, of course, as you can see on the RSI right here, we were all the way up to that 83 range there. So we got it knocked down, tapped right down to 914, saw some nice little support there. And it's just been kind of trading upwards, but kind of sideways, consolidating right around that 944 range. And like I said, I expect it to open up around that 9.5 to 9.3-ish range, but anywhere above 9.15-ish will be super ideal, as tomorrow we could see some nice movement, as this has been a, what's the right word? Kind of like a distraction play off of AMC, kind of like hidden in the dust, like a little, kind of like a little underdog. Of course, most of with the publicity everyone's been covering, their AMC, your GameStop, all the ones that I've already had their pop off, or AMC has had the most major pop off out of this recent one. GameStop is continuously trying to make it new headlines, but AMC has been the go-getter and the number one for so far with this short squeeze going on. But it hasn't even short squeezed yet. But we also have to take that into consideration when we compare the short interest of the free float percentage compared for AMC versus Clov here. Clov currently, I'll go look it up for you guys real quick. We're going to Ortex here, and we're going to go right to short interest here. So the current short interest change for today looks like the shorts did once again get bolder and took 3.93% more short positions today. The borrowed shares from today was 2.14 million, as we had 345,000 shares being returned, aka the shorts were returning their position to get out of that position as they just were losing money and they just didn't want to do it anymore. Now, as you can see, current short interest of the free float is currently sitting at 41.5%, which is massively high. I'm not really too sure, but I know at least it's the most fundamentally good company that is shorted the most on the market by a long shot. To put it in comparison, GameStop and AMC currently right now are short interest of the free float is around 18 to 21%. As of lately, there's been some shorts taken out positions, but for the most part, it's been kind of neutral, and there's not really a lot of shorts that have taken out of position. But that's what the beginning steps are to the short squeeze. Right now, we're seeing the actions of a gamma squeeze for AMC, and GameStop is kind of pushing up there, but AMC has been the big dog when it comes to pushing it, as it gained 80% for the day. Now, this is what we need out of Clov here. Clov, if we can get this price point pushing up, exactly how AMC is doing here in the next few weeks, the next month. We just need these steps to continuously keep this bullish momentum rising higher and higher. And these massive buy orders coming from these institutions have been really helping us out a lot. And Clov is starting to become the dark horse. And I don't know if that's the right term, but more so, a lot of people have been taking a lot of high interest. I know I've been high on it for, I don't know how long I've been making videos on this, probably about 2 months now, 3 months now. And I did know this back in January, but of course now the shorts just have taken massive positions and have been making money off it the past 2 months. As it decreased, it did end up tapping that 11.75 range and went all the way down to about 6.5, 6.3 range. And so now we're seeing more people bring awareness about Clov, and that's what I am looking for. I'm looking for a lot of people to bring more awareness about Clov and just get this out here. And it's hard to do that whenever we have a massive beginning of a short squeeze happening with AMC and sort of GameStop. GameStop's already had its fun. I think AMC will be the big one this time, and I think GameStop will still go up to around that $400, $600 range. But I think AMC, for the matter of the fact, is that they haven't even short squeezed yet, and they're tapped about $74 currently. It's just been incredible, but that's what we need out of Clov. So if we compare the short interest numbers, when Clov is double the amount of short interest of the free flow percentage than AMC, and we're seeing how fast AMC is moving like this, I think we're going to see a very, very similar pattern going on with Clov as we do with AMC, but except doubled, because the short interest is doubled. Like if all the shorts start to return the position, if we get this price point rolling up there, we're going to see Clov go to parabolic numbers. I can't give a price prediction. I know some people out there probably have done, the mathematical equations on what it can possibly go to. I'm not going to do that because it's too hard to predict. Even you could put all the numbers, all the equations together and come up with a massive number, but it's too hard to predict because the majority of the stock market is more psychological than it is fundamentals, as you guys know that. But yeah, that's going to wrap up my video. Clov had a great day tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow's sake and see how we do and see how it kind of replicates AMC, because it's kind of trailed behind it. They're kind of going in not like a similar pattern, of course, as AMC increased by like 80% today. We didn't see Clov increase 80%, but 13% is a massive, massive day, regardless of what the other markets are doing, what the other stocks are doing, and all that type of stuff. Now that wraps up the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for making it this far. Thank you for all the support you guys have been showing me, all the love, of course. And I really appreciate you guys. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, smack that notification bell on, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, guys. Deuces.